Hello everyone, I hope you're having a really fabulous day. Today I'm going to do a really quick hair tutorial for you. It is heatless, productless, comfortable to sleep in, super cheap, doesn't require any fancy things bought on Amazon, and I promise you that it works. Well, it certainly does on my hair. Obviously it will slightly depend on your hair type, but it's worth a shot. All it requires is a silk scarf. This one is about 120 by 20 centimeters and I picked it up for £3 in my local charity shop, and I absolutely love this hair and I really hope that you enjoy watching and trying this for yourself. So before I go and wash it, this is 4-day-old curls using this method. Now, obviously, if you've watched any of my hair videos before, you know I have quite thick, naturally curly hair. It probably will naturally hold a curl anyway, but I do think this is a really good method to try for anyone out there, no matter how long your hair is. I really particularly like this on my long hair because since it's got long, I love it, but it's so difficult for my natural curl to stay without loads of product, which I don't love using and I don't like spending the money on. And also it's just not that good for my hair to have so much product on it all the time. I don't like the way it feels. So I've been looking for a long time now for a method of having my hair still curly without product in it, and this is the solution for me and I love it. And as you will notice, I can go 4 days with my hair still like this. I think I like to call it my Little Women hair. I was watching Little Women the other day and they always have their hair done in some kind of wrap overnight or in a braid or some such, and this is sort of as close as I can get to that kind of romantic, very easy feminine hairstyle that I love. So the first thing I'm going to do is shampoo and condition my hair. If you've watched my channel for a while, you know that I really advocate for using as natural as you can afford in terms of shampoo and conditioner. So sulfate free where you can, and just make sure that ingredients list isn't super duper long. Try and keep it to something that you like. I also know for my hair doesn't really like shea butter, so I try and avoid that in my conditioners. But whatever you can afford at the time, it really doesn't matter. If you just go and you buy something from the supermarket where you do your shopping, that will still work. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go shampoo and condition it, and I will come back to you when it's almost dry.
I am all shampooed and ready to dry.
So I've just taken one of these combs and I have just combed it all the way through just to make sure there are no knots as it's drying. It was drying probably for about half an hour or something like that. And this is also the time where I'm going to put some hair oil in. I just happen to have this one at the minute, which is the Fushi Really Good Hair Oil. And it smells lovely. It seems to work all right. It's not too heavy. So I'm just taking about like teeny tiny 3 or 4 drops. So I might put some more in later, but that's probably enough. I try and focus just on the bits where it gets really, really dry. So the ends, the inside bit next to my neck and the top bits next to my face, I guess the bits that see the sun the most and also get the most abuse when it goes up and stuff like that. There we go. Now I'm going to let it dry for another half hour and I'll see you again. By the way, if this is feeling like this is too many steps, just shower, let your hair dry naturally and let it be. Mine needs that comb because it's so long and it is naturally curly, and it just helps when I'm going to do the twisting. But if your hair isn't like that, you don't need to do that at all. Okay, so my hair has completely dried almost, and I'm just going to spray it down with a little bit of water spray. Just it will help the curls stay a little bit more. Not loads, but just a little bit. If you don't have a water spray bottle, just run a little bit of water through with your hands. And then what you're going to do is put this over the top. Some of you are going to be wondering, because some of you are really good at detail. I have changed because I was playing outside with my daughter and she got me absolutely soaked. So I'm going to kind of make it vaguely even and then clip half of it. And then I am going to start the braiding. You will need 2 bands and 1 already on your wrist ready to go. So you also want to make sure that you section your hair properly at the back really before you do that. So make sure you've got it all together. just make your life a bit easier. Okay, so I'm going to start by taking a section from the front and bringing it around and back to the front. You can scoop up a bunch more ready for the next time. Keep smoothing it over with your hands. Then take a section from the back and you're going to wrap it around and pull it to the back, okay? And then you're going to do that again with the one at the front, wrap it over. So you're always bringing the silk scarf back to the middle. You can tell at this point I'm not at all a professional hairdresser, but I really wanted to show you how to do this because I know loads of you would like to know if you haven't already tried doing it this way. So you're going to keep grabbing sections like you would French braid it. Pulling it as tight as you dare. Make sure that all of the little stray bits are together, because otherwise those bits obviously aren't going to fold. And I've also done something funky with this bit before where I didn't quite do it and I forgot what I was doing and did it a bit like a French braid, and then it had like a flat bit in the middle. Every single time I do it, it's a little bit different at the minute because it's still kind of new. I think I'm doing it right today. Now, when you come to the end, you want to just kind of basically keep wrapping those bits until you've got hardly any left. And then when you get to that bit, just keep going round until you've got no strays, but you're always going to end up with a little bit of stray. And then I just like to go over with the hair tie so I know it's not going anywhere. My hair is pretty like okay at doing that. I'm just gonna tuck a few bits in. They're not tucking, but it will still look great. And this bit will still look fine. Okay, so now onto this side. Now, it really doesn't matter if the part at the back is not like perfectly straight like a hairdresser would do it. It really doesn't have to look perfect at the back. Ooh. Because your hair is just gonna loosely do its own thing anyway at the back soon. Hope you get what I'm doing here. The smoother you make it now, the smoother the curls will be. Cheeky little bit there. My alarm just went off, so my dinner is ready. I'm just trying to fit this in before the light goes and before dinner time. Okay, last one. Okay, and now all you're gonna do is sleep on this, and it's not bulky up here. I know you can buy those octopus things, but they look so cumbersome and they cost so much money, and this being £3 was very inexpensive. And it's really comfortable to sleep on. It's just like sleeping in braids, and because it's silk, it's very good and protective for your hair. And I will show you what it looks like in the morning. Good morning, everybody. It is the following morning. I have just tied my hair up, or like together at the ends of these, just to shower and wash my face and put my makeup on. And I'm just going to take them out. So what I'm going to do is put a teensy bit more hair oil in, just to help shake it out. Literally 2 drops of the oil. Every time I do this, I am like, what? So there you go. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd also love to hear if you've done it before, if you've got any different tips or tricks. I love using the comments as a place to share ideas and help each other out. So please go down there and have a look. And otherwise, I will check back with you soon enough with a new video. It's been really fun to just do this little quick hair tutorial for you. Bye.